nasties. Here we go with a little mistake. Boom. Welcome back to Down for Glam. It's me, Gigi, and today we're going to do a pink set that is inspired by all the roses I see in the neighborhood and a little velvet. So the velvet was actually something at the very last second I decided to do, which was really just adding a matte top coat to a chrome powder shine. So you'll see how we do that at the end. Actually, I've done that on the channel before, so it's not actually a brand new technique. I just thought it would be super cute. So we are doing fully pink nails today with just a little accent of green for the leaves on the roses. And so we've got 3 in the bright pink and 2 in the light pink. And we, of course, are going to do 2 coats of that, but I don't show it on camera. Now I'm just adding some of the polishes onto this little palette. And if you're curious how I made that, I will put a card, ding, right there. So what we're going to do now is take a very tiny brush and just create little circles. It's just that easy. Just create little circles for the body of the rose. And then with the corresponding color, you just come in and make the petals. Now on the first one that I do, it's not my favorite. I wish I had figured out the 3-petal technique before I had filmed the first one, but that's okay. You'll see how I change it up here as we go. So while I'm making all these little circles, how is everyone? I hope you guys are doing fabulously. I want to tell you, I was really hoping I would have an unboxing video for you guys today, but that's not how it worked out. I ordered weeks ago now, like 3 weeks ago, from a place called beautywest.com. It's beautywests.com. And it's no shade on the company because they've been amazing. And we will talk about them a little more when I do the actual unboxing, assuming I get the box. It's not the problem of Beauty West. It's been the post office. Now, the one thing that Beauty West did wrong was that when they gave me the tracking number, it was incorrect. And so I didn't get any updates on the tracking. And if I had, I would have been home when they came. But I wasn't home when they came, or I was sleeping or something, or they didn't come. I don't know, because they said that they came at 7:30 on the 14th and that I wasn't here to sign for the package. Which irritates me as well that I needed to sign. Now I'm removing that one because I don't like it. And now looking, I wish I'd fixed that one at the bottom as well. But anyway, guys, so when I finally got the correct tracking information, I called the company and I asked them for it. It said that I saw the tracking history, that they had tried to bring me the package, but that I wasn't there, which I really am kind of calling bullshit on that, but whatever. Now, here is me doing, let me just pause the story for a second. Here's me doing the first set of roses. And I don't like this set as much as I do the second and third nail. And that's because I'm just trying to do like 2 petals instead of 3, and it just doesn't look as good. We'll come back to that. So there was another mistake. I should have slow-moed that one too. Dang. Anyway, guys. Anyways, so once I finally got the correct tracking information, I requested them to redeliver it, which they did not do. And so I waited, and after I didn't get it, I called the post office and I was like, okay, guys, I still have not received my package. She said that it was going to come today with my normal mail in the morning. My normal mail already came and it's not here. So I have a call into them. I'm waiting for them to call me back. So that's where all my stuff is. I've got builder gel coming and polish coming and rhinestones and a bottle of cleanse because you can't find alcohol to save your life right now. And what's funny is that I had a top coat that was on back order. It has already come from back order and the original package still hasn't arrived. And that's why I don't have my nails done yet, because I want to use the builder gel that's coming on my new set of nails. Oh, I'm getting so frustrated, you guys. So now we're going to come in, and I figured out after I did that first nail to do this 3-petal. And look at how much cuter that is. So if you do this technique, I highly recommend you try the 3-petal technique instead of trying to just make bigger petals. I think it looks much cuter. Much, much cuter. So make sure and tell me your postal story horror stories or postal office horror stories down in the comment section below. I actually have one from a few years ago when I was sending some stuff to my daughter, and I was in San Diego at the time. She lives in Las Vegas, and my package went to Hawaii and to Washington before it went to Las Vegas. Las Vegas is like a 6-hour drive, so there was literally no reason for that. It really, really cracked me up. But, you know, you got to give the post office a little break. I'm not trying to be mad. I'm not going to be bitchy to the people that call me, because how does that help anything? But I am a little frustrated. I actually put this set together for you guys last night because I realized I wasn't going to be able to do an unboxing for you. So, there's that. Now we're just going to come in and make some little leaves, very similar to the leaves that we did on the other floral set, the 1-stroke set we did on Wednesday. Just some cute little swooshy leaves, which are not technically the kind of leaves you would see on roses, but these are fantasy roses. There you go. They're just fantasy roses. Oh, and there I go again. Oh my goodness, that was another prime moment for a slowdown. I'm pretty sure there's one more slowdown in here right at the end. I'm really good at trying to grab that and it's slinging across the table. It's kind of hilarious, y'all. Kind of hilarious. My little cut on my thumb is almost completely healed up. It doesn't hurt anymore, and that is awesome, because a couple of days I actually had to take an Aleve just to make it stop throbbing. It was just throbbing and throbbing. But I think the nerve in there finally healed up. So, oh, a little bit of dip out of camera. And I want to apologize in advance for the little dip out of camera that's going to happen when I put the chrome powder on. I don't even show you doing the light pink one because I dumped so far out of camera. Top popped off that first sponge, so we just grabbed another one. And we're just burnishing that in. I'm sorry again for dipping out of frame. Oh, guys, that's just me sucking at life. What can I say? I do my best, but I just suck at life sometimes. Okay, we're doing shiny top coat on the roses, and then we are going to do matte top coat, and we're about to have that little slipping. That little slip is about to happen. We're going to do matte top coat on the other two, and there we go. Ah, another one. Yeah. Let me just sling that across the table. Guys, let me know in the comment section below, do you like this set? Would you wear it? Would you do an accent nail? Would you do a different color? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending some time with me today. Stay tuned for some reveals, and you have a great day. Mwah! Bye!